Look, Marlee.
I feel like I have a lot of ginger.
Look at you, Marlee. Look. Look how cute you look. Welcome back to another day of Vlogmas. I hope you guys are enjoying my Vlogmas 2020 so far. I know it's a little touch and go, but I'm doing my best. If you're new to my channel, make sure you're hitting that subscribe button. And if you're not new but not subscribed, I mean, we're gonna have to fight one day. Just hit the subscribe button and make sure you're hitting the thumbs up, liking this video, leave me a little comment. And yeah, so like I said, Vlogmas has definitely been a little overwhelming for me. I haven't been as consistent every day, but I'm trying, I'm getting it together. Right now I'm on my way to Target, and that's like my favorite place in the world is Target. If you're ever looking for me, if I ever go missing, just go to Target. I'm probably there. We're here at my favorite place in the world. Literally, I could go to Target every single day. Like, my husband be over me. Like, I always want to come to Target. We probably could get a cart inside. Yeah, we don't even have nothing in particular to get. I just come to Target for therapy.
So I could probably get a cart.
Feel me? A cart inside. Oh, the sky looks pretty behind me. Left, right there. Is there any Hershey's? So, yeah, no, I was telling y'all I don't like vlogging in public. I picked the worst day to come to Target. I know it's the Friday before Christmas, but I feel like everybody's in Target. And then I came in this aisle just now, and I thought I was in a cut. And one girl back there, yeah, she pulled right up on me. They don't have plain Hershey's. So, horrible vlog. Horrible. There's nothing else to really say. Nah, it was just super crowded. We kind of just went in and got out. Got in and got out. I feel like I'm about to get hit by a car. Look how crazy the parking lot is. Like, this is OD. So yeah, we didn't get anything much, just some snacks, iced coffee. Nothing really. My husband was shocked I didn't want to go to the makeup department, but. Have you ever made a gingerbread house before? Like in school or anything?
Yeah, I didn't like it though.
For real, you did?
Yeah.
I never made a gingerbread house. And for like years, my grandma told me I was allergic to gingerbread. That's why we didn't make gingerbread houses. And I don't know if I used to be allergic to gingerbread or my grandma just lied, but I'm not allergic to gingerbread. So now I feel like I want to make a gingerbread house because I feel like everybody in the world makes gingerbread houses, and I just forgot to look in Target for the gingerbread house, and I had it on my list. That's how crazy it is. I made a list of what I needed to remember to get, and I forgot a gingerbread house. So, did you eat it? Like when you make it, do you eat it?
I don't think I ate the whole thing though, but I did it in school. Yeah, my brother.
And I saw so many, like, in the beginning of the season. Like, I kept seeing gingerbread kids. But, yeah, and I feel like I even saw one that was, like, a different flavor than gingerbread, but, like, the same concept. I feel like I'm still gonna find one. I don't know, maybe tomorrow I'll find one. Those air-fried biscuit donuts were so nasty. Like, they were so gross.
What the hell is this dude doing, man?
I feel like this year nobody in this neighborhood like really went crazy with decorations. We didn't, that's for sure.
I mean, this is a real different type of year, so I ain't really, you know, yeah. It's not a regular year.
There's the one nice house that's my mom's customers down here that they did theirs. We didn't do decorations for we still haven't even decorated our Christmas tree or put lights on it. Yeah, and Christmas is 7 days away. I don't know. This year, I feel like everything, yeah, you're right. It's not a normal year because everything this year is off. But we have all our Christmas gifts wrapped. That's for sure. And yeah, I'm just waiting to get closer to the house. I wanted to show you guys that's decorated. I don't know if it's all lit up today, but it's not really focusing. This house right here on the corner, it looks prettier. Like they have other stuff that's not out right now. Oh, look at that sky. So earlier we were having, my husband asked me, did I think all this snow is gonna melt by Christmas? I don't think so. You think so? Or no?
Depends if we get rain, a little sunlight.
Let's check the weather.
Then, you know?
Yeah, let's check the weather. I don't know. I feel like it's a lot of snow. Like I didn't think it was gonna be this much snow. Oh my God, it's gonna snow more on Sunday. And then it's going to rain on Thursday, the day before Christmas. And it's going to snow on Christmas, it says. They're probably lying. They guess that every year. Let's see if it really does snow. So I was just talking about my neighborhood's decorations. Look at my house, y'all. All we got is this one little dog. And he's in the snow. But it looks cute that he's in the snow, actually. It looks cute because it's like, it looks like he's in the snow. And then we did have a blow-up skunk right here. Well, yeah, blow up skunk with a little hat on. I'll insert a picture or a boomerang because clearly he's under all this snow. So he's not coming. Look at you, Marlee. Look. Look how cute you look. So, pictures with Santa finished. I never close out my vlogs the right way. So yeah, this is the end of today. Another day of Vlogmas. If you're enjoying Vlogmas on my channel so far, leave me a comment and let me know. Make sure you're liking this video as well. And yeah, I definitely have another nail appointment this week that I'm gonna bring you guys along for. I got like a little inspo picture from Tumblr for some holiday nails, so I'm gonna have my nail tech try that. Tomorrow I'm gonna do a little bit of Christmas shopping and decorate my Christmas tree. So yeah, I have a busy week. Christmas is just days away, but I'm ending the vlog here. I'm home, the day's over.